every day. Uptown, although she never ever looks my way. I'm just about hot, you see, I can't stop. Tell her what I wanna say. Man, one of these days I'm gonna have money. She'll wanna be my ever-loving honey. It won't be long, I just wait and see. You'll have a big car, fine clothes, and then I'll be uptown. Penthouse number 3, uptown. Just my baby and me. Mikey. Yeah, one of these days I'm gonna have money. She'll wanna be my ever-loving honey. It won't be long, I just wait and see. I'll have a big car, fine clothes, and then I'll be uptown. Penthouse number 3, uptown. Just my baby and me. Well, I got a woman mean as she can be. Well, I got a woman mean as she can be. But sometimes I think she's almost beating me. She got a ruby lips, she got shapely hips, yeah. Boy, she makes so royal lips. I got a woman mean as she can be. But sometimes I think she's almost beating me. Well, I ain't bragging, it's understood. Everything I do, well, I sure don't do it. Yeah, I got a woman mean as she can be. But sometimes I think she's almost beating me. She got shapely hips, yeah. Boy, she makes so royal flip. I got a woman mean as she can be. But sometimes I think she's almost meaning me. Hey, now.
Wow, Paul.
All right, yeah, my name is Tony. My friend's name is Dave, and this is his pickup. He and another friend of his built this truck. They restored it, and the friend got tired of building it, whatever, and he ended up with it. Paid him a good price. I don't know what it was, but but I think it was darn worth it.
It's a one for the money, one for the show. Ready, get ready now.
My name is Robert Salazar. I'm a Native American, and this is my car. It's a 1922 Ford Roadster. I did 99.9% of all the work. Everything from mechanicals, electricals, paint, upholstery, everything. I drive it. I've been to Biloxi, Mississippi in it last October for a car show that was 7 days long. It was a lot of fun, and it was 1,900 miles one way, and I was gone 3 weeks from here, but I love driving it. Next week I'm going to Camarillo. I go to Laughlin every September. That's about it. I can't think of anything else to say, but thank you very much. It's a great show here, by the way. Thank you.
All right, my name is Phil Jelinek. I live in Anaheim, California. The car I'm driving today is a 1953 Kaiser Traveler Deluxe. Henry J. Kaiser built cars from 1945 to 1955. I'm sorry, 1946 to 1955. He was an industrialist. He built roads in the 19s and the 20s. In the 30s, he built Hoover Dam he put together the 6 company consortium to build Hoover Dam, and he built Boulder City. So he had, a place for his workers, because there's nothing out there. So at the end of the war, Henry J. Kaiser wanted to get into the car business. So he teamed up with Joseph W. Frazier, and together the two of them started the Kaiser Frazier Car Company.
Hi, I'm Scott Davis, and a member of the Silver Fox Car Club here at Leisure World. We didn't have this the last couple of years because of the COVID problem, but now it looks like it's going to be an ideal day on this 4th of July 2022. We got some beautiful cars already, and quite a few. Looks like it could be one of the best shows. We're going to have entertainment coming, have a band and a singer. Oh, here's our president, Ted Green, yes.
My name is Ted Green. Hi, folks. Welcome to Leisure World's annual Classic Car, 4th of July Classic Car Show. We're hosting with GRF, and this is our first time in, a couple of years? Since 2019. So we hope it's a big, huge blowout. Everybody's very excited, and we've got new things going on, and we just hope it gets bigger and better from here on out.
I'm Joyce Strawn, and I live in Mutual 3, and my husband's the vice president of the Silver Fox Car Club.
What's his name?
Mike Strawn. And Ted Green just spoke to you, and he's the president. And I just wanted to tell you when our meetings are held. The second Tuesday of each month at 6 p.m., Clubhouse 3, Room 5. So come join us. If you just have an interest in the cars, you can join. You don't have to have a car. You just join and enjoy. We do outings sometimes and go to museums, car museums and things like that. And we'd be very happy to have you all join. Thank you. Have a good day. Come see the cars.
Today's another great 4th of July. Spectacular here, and we have the lunch truck here. We're going to have fresh pastrami and fries and cheeseburger and fries, hot dog and fries. Then you have the Lucille's truck, the barbecue that's right behind us, and we have a great car show going on here. And we just want to say I hope you guys have a great time. It's great weather, and happy 4th.
Hi, my name's Phil Camarina. I own a 1929 Ford Roadster with a rumble seat and with ghost flames on it. It's unique and I enjoy it.
Thank you.